Hi, my name's Elizabeth, and I'm just going to take a moment here and share with you some of my favorite takeaways from Cheyenne's Fringe Mastery course. One of them has to do with the format. The format is done so expertly, so perfectly. Her videos, her voiceover, her camera angles, she gets right up close to the little tiny seed beads and shows you the exact stitch. Just the detail and professionalism that went into formatting her videos for the course it's mind-blowing to me. So much easier for me to watch a video course versus read it in a book. I've been beading for quite a few years now, but I've never really have found a course or an instructor or a book to help me perfect my fringe earrings. Taking her course, watching her tutorials, I can happily say that I've perfected my fringe earring. She covers everything from the design to color theory to pattern making to choosing the right beads to get your fringe to lay perfectly, how to perfect your triangle, how to perfect your fringe. I made these, and prior to taking her course, I could not get my fringe to look like that. I could not get my triangle to look like that. I am so happy that I've taken her course because I have lifetime access to any updates, any free patterns she adds. She gives you a ton of patterns to use on your own. It's been the best thing that I've done for my business. I've been able to elevate my skill level with my fringe earrings. And if you're looking to learn fringe earrings from start to finish, or if you're like me who's been doing it for a few years and just need those fine little details to take your skill to the next level, she's got you covered. So definitely take a moment here to think about taking the course. I'm so happy that I did.